Yeah, okay, hello. Um, Now I want to continue again to practice speaking and reading in English. And now in the 62, I want you saying the topic is the junior asked me for help. Good morning, morning, how everything going? Not great. What's wrong? Do you have a few minutes? Sure. I think I'm stuck. Let's take a look. Thanks. What are you working on? The employee registration form? Okay. The data isn't being saved. What happened when you click the submit button? Nothing. Nothing at all. No success message. Any error message? No. Interesting. Can you walk me through it? Sure. Start from the beginning. I created the form, okay, then I added the routes, okay, then I wrote the controller. Nice. Finally, I create the model. Did you test each step? Not really. Why not? I wanted to finish everything first. I've done that before. Really? Many times. Can we test one piece at a time? Of course. First question. Okay. Does the request reach the controller? I'm not sure. How can yeah, okay, test check. I'm sorry, my microphone is off in the middle of the recording. Maybe I want to throw back in from the testing. Okay, from can we test one piece at a time? Then of course. First question. Okay, does the request reach the controller? I'm not sure. How can we find out? Maybe gone. Edit a log. Good idea. Or use DD braces. Excellent. Should we try that? Yes. It stopped at the controller. Great. Great. Yes, but it still doesn't work. We learned something. What? The request reached the controller. So the route is fine? Exactly. I didn't think about it that way. Now let's continue. Okay. Does the validation pass? Let me check. Take your time. Yes, good. What's next? Does the model save the data? I'll test it. Go ahead. Wait, what happened? I found the problem already. The model's $variable property is missing one field. There it is. I can't believe it. Why? I spent almost 2 hours on this. How long did it take us? Maybe 10 minutes. Did I solve it? Well, think carefully, actually. Yeah. You ask questions. Exactly. I find the answer. That's much better. Can I ask you something? Sure. Why didn't you just inspect the code yourself? I could have. Then why didn't you? What will you learn? Not much, exactly. So you wanted me to discover it? Yes. That feels slower. Today, maybe tomorrow, you'll solve similar problem without me. I like that. You know what? Yesterday I thought senior developer just knew everything. I used to think the same. But watching you, yeah, you didn't know the answer immediately. No, you investigated exactly. You estimate possibles, right? You keep narrowing the problem. That's debugging. Can I ask one more questions? Of course. What if I ask the questions? Yeah, and nobody available. Then ask yourself first. What should I ask? What do I know? Okay. What don't I know? Makes sense. What have I already confirmed? Right. And what assumption am I making? I like those questions. Can I tell you something? Sure. A few months ago, yeah, I would have walked right through a senior developer without checking anything. Probably. What chance? People taught me how to think, not just how to code. Exactly. Thanks for your help today. You're welcome. Actually, yeah, thanks for not giving me the answer. You're welcome. I think I remember. He's back for a long time. That's the best kind of lesson. Can I ask one final question? Always. How did you know what question to ask? Because someone once asked me the same question. Really? Yes. So you weren't inventing them? No, you were passing them on? Exactly. I have one day I can do that too. You will. How do you know? Because today, yeah, you didn't just fix a bug. What else did I do? You learn a process, and process lasts longer than answer. Exactly. One bug at a time. Yeah, one bug at a time. One question at a time. Yeah, one question at a time. One lesson at a time. Of course, one lesson at a time. And one developer at a time. Yeah, one developer at a time. And thank you.